How to reset AliExpress password. So let's get started. First of all, launch the AliExpress application in your mobile device. After that, you will get to the home page. Now navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of this interface and type in the icon that says account on the bottom right corner. Now once you get to this page, under the text that says welcome to AliExpress, there you will find a button as sign in or register, so tap on that. After that, you will land on login page and there you will find an option as trouble logging in and tap on that. After that, a pop-up box will appear on your interface that will ask you two options, either to reset your password or to find your account. Now to reset the password, tap on the first option that says reset your password. After that, for your verification, you have to either provide email or your member ID, or you have to type in the phone number so that you will receive a verification code in that contact and you will be verified. So if you would like to provide email, then type in your email address associated with your account or you have currently access to. Or if you would like to go with phone number as well, type in your phone number and there you will receive a verification code. Now once it's done, tap and continue. After you do that, you will receive a verification code in your email address. Check in the verification code and copy and paste the code. After that, you will be asked to type in the new password. So make sure you create a password that you remember. After that, confirm your password. Now you will receive a verification code in your email. So go back and check your email or Gmail in your mobile device. Here I have the verification code. So simply copy the code and paste it back to AliExpress. Once you verify, then it will ask you to type in the new password and confirm the password. Make sure your password must be 6 to 20 characters with letters, numbers or symbol. So simply type in the password, then tap on update password, and as soon as you do that, your password will be changed. So that's how you can recover AliExpress account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.